Let's look at how you can add a client into LockedOn. On the main screen, you'll be able to use the Actions Add Client option, and you'll also be able to go directly into Clients and use the Actions Add Client option as well. By clicking the Add Client option, you'll then need to fill in the person's details. We start with the name. We then will fill in their email, and you'll be able to select what label this is. We'll put this as their work email. We then will be able to add as many phone numbers as we need, with the first one defaulting to their mobile. We will enter their mobile, and if we wish to add another number, we can hit the add and select a different label. To remove a number, click the arrow and hit remove. You'll then be able to enter in your new client's address. By typing into this field, it will match any address that can be found in Google Maps. Here we can see I have the address entered at 72nd Street, New York, 253 West. We can select this and it will load in the address. If it has a unit, apartment or suite number, we can put that in there, and that's a manual entry, and then we can hit the Add Client option located at the bottom of this to add the new client to our LockedOn account.